I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn.
Today, I will be doing a slick back ponytail on myself for the first time ever. This is my hair already flat ironed the best way that I could get it. Like, this is the flattest I'm gonna get it. And I did take scissors to my head. And I probably shouldn't have did that, but when I go sit and get me a professional silk press, I'm just gonna tell her, like, chop my hair. Just chop it. And we'll reconvene with real hair activities in the summer of next year. Or whatever, until she's healthy. I will be using Breezy Wave, 30 inches. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch. This Easy Gel, my friend recommended me to use this. I've seen a lot of girls use this beeswax, so I went and bought me some from my local beauty supply store, and I applied my Holy Grail Bio Silk, and of course I got this. And I know we canceled Eben, but it be working for my hair, and yeah, it be working for my hair, and that's all I'm gonna say. So still using that. And handy dandy wrap strips.
Make you cry. You know I'm thugged out when you listen to my rhyme. Put your rap. Need somebody to sit down.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. stand side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need.
I finished wrapping the ponytail, and it's not tight at all. This what it look like. I don't know what they look like back there, but Lord bless it. I used half of the last pack, so this is all that I have left. And I don't feel like trying to use it, so I'm just gonna, so I can see. I feel like it's to help me see. I mean, it don't look bad. It don't look bad, but okay. Let's get to this part. Close this off. I'm gonna take some.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because
I cannot see that. Yeah, get into it. Get into it. I've been doing my hair since I was a jit, so I don't know why I even thought it was gonna come out ugly, cause yeah. You see it. You see it. You see the materials.
if I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Thing I need from you, say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me.
So I'm about to get myself together really quick because of course I'm running late. I am so proud of myself because I did this myself. Because I definitely would have paid for it if I would have booked an appointment on time, but I'm the DIY queen, so I could do my own ponytail. So this is the end result. Your girl is all dolled up in the face. This is my hair. Get into it, all oiled up. Get into it. A quick little 1-2. Thank you for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was fun. I'm gonna do some more ponytails with this brand in particular because I think I'm in like a pony. I like having everything slicked back out my face type of thing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do some more ponytails. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most importantly, I want you to subscribe so you can come back and see what else I have in store. And yeah, so have a good day. See y'all later.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas.